Step into the 2007 BMW Z4. This two-door, two-passenger convertible still has fewer than 30,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Highway fuel economy of 8 liters per 100 kilometers proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. Top features include leather upholstery, front bucket seats, air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.